Increase font size on Messenger. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can increase the font size in your Messenger app. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Messenger app. As you can see that the font size is very small. Now in order to increase the size, tap open your settings application. You will see a page like this. Under here, tap onto the search bar icon and search for font size. As you do so, you will see font size and style by display. Tap open that option, then tap on font size and style. Here you can increase or decrease your font size, and you can also see what it will look like once you have done it. Once you're satisfied, go back to your font size and style, close the application and open your Messenger app. Just like so, this is how you can increase the font size in your Messenger app. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you with more tutorials like this.